Good morning, everyone. Today is May 27th, 2026. We got some good rain last night, and I want to visit my vegetable plant. So, look at this. This is my ampalaya. After the rain, it looks so healthy. And I got the sampaguita right there. And I have couple of alugbate. There's my kamatis. There's alugbate. It's spinach. And also I have squash. Look at my green squash right there. And I have one more over here. They all look good after the rain. And I got some lupo. This is the very healthy uh, green. And I have another green squash hiding underneath right there. So here I have the spinach, alugbate, got some ginger. That's my ginger. That's right there. I have sitaw, long beans, and also ampalaya, a bitter melon. So I only planted a little vegetable. And I put the celery in here. And also one cabbage. And a sweet potato. And also I have okra. I think I only have one okra survive. Oh, two. I have another one right here hiding. Sweet corn. I hope it survived. I have two. That's sweet corn. And also another bitter melon. So they all look good after the rain. So I just harvest the leaves of this sweet potato. And here I have a cantaloupe with a sunflower. bitter melon, ampalaya, and I have onion, coconut onions, my one cilantro, and one gabi taro. Last year I let the sunflower grow in a yard, but kind of hard to remove the bottom when it's dry, so I just let it grow in a pot. They grow so tall. Nihaya, I put the sayote. I was planning to move in a big pot. See how tall the sunflower. It's almost on a 10-foot high. So this is another cantaloupe. My figs, I'm so happy my figs have a lot of fruit. Look at that. In here I have one pomegranate. Here I have two pomegranate. Right here it looks like a jungle. I don't have time yet to clean in this flower bed. Here I have a wild pepper. So I hope this Sunday I can work on this. So this is my leftover sunflower, because couple of years I let them grow over here. And I have a lot of jujube tree. There's one outside, right here beside the fence, outside. And I have a persimmon. That jujube tree, that right there. So I'm gonna let them to grow back again for the shade, because it's so hot here during summer. And this is my asparagus. I don't harvest vegetable on this asparagus. I just let them grow. That's why the stem is so big now. So I got so many jujube, because once you plant one, one jujube, in a couple of years they reproduce and they spread out. It's a Korean apple. See, there's a lot right here because I don't have time to trim yet. See, I have one pecan tree. There's a big tree of jujube. It's right here. Persimmon. The main tree of persimmon died a year ago because there's some kind of bug killed the persimmon. But they reproduce. They grow everywhere. This fig tree, we planted this about 10 years ago. And also I tried to plant different kind of fruits like a pear, plum. They did not survive. Just this fig tree. So by August, the jujube is gonna be producing a lot of fruit. So that's for now. Bye everyone. God bless.